They always say the best for the last, don't they?
I already filled up 4 gigs. I had to start another one.
I mean, they save the best for the last.
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to send that much, Robert?
Oh yeah, I can upload it to Google or to YouTube. 4 gigs is what I've already recorded, so
Wow.
which is as much as a DVD. I got a good internet connection at the house. It'll upload it all. Wow, that's huge. It's insanely huge. Massive.
I want to see like a red, white, and blue one.
They'll get there. I just wish you could see it on the video. You can make out some colors, but I bet you can't make out what we see. It's incredible.
Some colors.
Yeah, you can only make out so many colors. Nice. Loud. More coming. I thought they were on the finale, but I guess not, man. They just keep going. Thought they were on the finale, but they just keep on going.
Yeah, I know.
You'll know when they get there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Different shapes. What's the matter, bud? What? Comes a big one. Wow, that's freaking huge.
I do. I'm going to have my wedding tonight. I'm going to have fireworks.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th.
Coolest thing.
Hell yeah. Y'all got fireworks.
Who got fireworks?
Y'all gonna have your own fireworks, I feel you.
Yeah.
You don't know what I have. Thank
That's
you.
kind of scary.
Yeah.
What's kind of scary?
That he don't know what you have. Just kidding. It's an innuendo thing. Think about it. Come on. That's not the finale. Here we go. I heard something go off big. Oh, hell yeah. That looks good. That shit went way up there. See where the moon's at, right? Look. See how far they're going up? Houses way down here. I think they on the finale there. They're making shapes.
They're what? They're making shapes.
They're making some cool shapes. They're trying to turn it into something. Yeah, look at there.
They need one that says Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. I already done filled up one 4 gig video stream recording this. I'm on my second now.
Yeah.
Wow, pretty.
Pretty, Sammy.
Tomorrow, can you go to your work and fix my bike?
We'll see. That it?
Come on.
That was all?
Yeah.
Well, that
I think they had some issues. I don't think that was it. Yeah, here we go. They're having some issues with their finale, I think.
Casey at tonight?
She's talking to Grandma.
Yeah.
Probably got to have some more.
That's what I'm saying. I think they're having some issues. Because that one little single wasn't their finale. Their finale goes all off at once and then it just stops.
No, everybody's leaving now.
No, of course everybody's leaving because they're not firing anything.